Let's stir up this amazing aloo gobi, which is a potato and cauliflower curry, and today we're going to make it in the Instant Pot. What you need for this is 2 diced onions, 2 diced tomatoes, 1 whole cauliflower cut up, 2 teaspoon red chili powder, 2 teaspoon garam masala, 2 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon cumin seed, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon fenugreek leaves, 2 teaspoon each ginger and garlic, and 3 green chilies. So let's get started. First, you're going to put your Instant Pot on saute mode and add about a 1/4 cup of cooking oil to it. Keep it on the normal setting and then add your cumin seeds. You're going to fry your cumin seeds for just about 30 seconds until you really start to get the aroma of the cumin seeds from the oil, and then you're going to add your onions. Once you add your onions, mix it really well, and then you want to fry this for about 5 to 10 minutes until the onions are translucent. Once the onions are translucent, you are going to add your green chilies as well as your garlic and ginger. Now, it is essential that you use fresh ginger and garlic to get the right flavors of this curry. I do not recommend crushed, just because you really want the essence of those spices in the cauliflower and potatoes. Now add your tomatoes in here, give it a quick stir, and then you're going to add all your spices to this, because basically your spices, your tomatoes are going to essentially be the base of your curry. So you're gonna fry this for about 10 minutes, and this is probably the hardest part of this dish, to be honest. So continuously fry this until all the tomatoes and onions dissolve really nicely. You do not need to add any water because tomatoes release enough water. Once it looks like this, you know you're ready to add your potatoes. Give it a quick stir, and then you're ready to add your last ingredient, which is the cauliflower. So once you add the cauliflower, I've cut them quite big because they do break, so you don't want to cut them too small, just a tip, and then just mix it really nicely. Basically give it a stir for another minute so all the spices, all the tomatoes are coating each and every potato and cauliflower. And once it looks basically like this, what you can do is add about, I say, 1/2 cup of water, just so it can steam really nicely in the pressure. And that's literally all you need. And then you're ready to just cook this on pressure. And once it's done, it's pretty much ready to eat. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put our lid on, make sure we put our valve to the sealing position, and then we're going to set our Instant Pot on manual for exactly 4 minutes. That's all you need. After 4 minutes, you're gonna do a quick release. So you're gonna move the valve from the sealing position to the venting and wait for the red valve at the back to drop. Once the red valve has dropped, you can now open your lid. And oh my goodness, look how great that looks. You can just add some fresh or frozen coriander or mint to this just to garnish it a bit, and just stir this for a quick second just to mix it up, and then you can serve this. Eat this with rice or naan bread and it's delicious. Here are the ingredients for you once again to screenshot. Definitely try it out and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more great, easy to follow recipes. Till next time, keep stirring it up.